Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving into Falmouth, and Falmouth is the capital of Trelawney. It's also the major town in Trelawney, the largest town and the most popular town. So we just exited off the Northern Coastal Highway and we're entering Falmouth. This is probably what they call Main Street in Falmouth. And Falmouth has the cruise ship pier. So this is the newest pier and it's the most modern cruise ship pier in Jamaica. So it can accommodate some of the largest ships in the world. And the largest ship in the world, I don't remember the name of it now, but it actually calls on the Falmouth pier. It's part of the Royal Caribbean fleet. Okay, so on the left is the Falmouth Market. Alright, let's take a drive through the Falmouth Market to give you an idea of just how busy it is. Now we did a video of this market before, but when we made the video, the market wasn't operating that day. It doesn't operate every day. So you can see most persons packing up their stuff now because it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The day is practically over. So today the market is operating. It doesn't operate every day. So this will just give you an idea of what it's all about. Okay, I don't know why this car has chosen to stop here. Okay, alright, I guess the road is blocked straight ahead. So we will just go this way. Similar to like a flea market. A person just set up their stalls and sell their goods. But there's no facility to lock up the goods here, so when they're leaving they have to take everything with them. So basically they sell everything from food produce to clothes. And I've actually seen the market busier than this on some occasions. Now, when it gets closer to Christmas time, the place is extremely busy. Okay, you see a lot of the cars on the left because the people just park anywhere, I guess. Okay, so you see you have the market facility, but you notice how many cars are in the road. You notice the hand cart is in the road. Now look at this lady sitting down on the left. She's actually set up her stall in the road. So this is what happens in a lot of places in Jamaica. Linstead is a prime example. Downtown Kingston is like this as well. Instead of using the actual market facility, they set it up right here on the road, and then they block up the road because this road is supposed to allow 2 lanes of traffic, but it's actually blocked up now because of how the person set up on the road, in the road, literally in the road. Look at this blue tent, it's in the road. These hand carts are in the road. So this is now a single lane. Now the white car has literally stopped in the road to let people out. So there's nothing we can do. We just have to wait till they're finished and move through. But this is okay, now he's opened back up the trunk. Unbelievable. You can see how busy the market is. And then when the market is congested like this, when people trying to get into the market from the main road, there's a line backed up to the main road because persons can't drive through the market freely. You see this car just literally stop in the road and wait for somebody to come in. Has no concern or care for the cars behind them. You saw how long they stopped. This is just how it is in Jamaica. Look at these tents. They literally come out into the road. Oh man, some things you just have to see to believe.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am inviting you to quit the artificial things. Go natural. Use the herbs, use the fruit, use the leaves of the fruit tree.
But this is the largest market in the, I guess, Trelawney area. But the largest market in Jamaica is actually Coronation Market, which is in downtown Kingston. So I'm assuming that these persons pay a fee to sell in the market. That's how it would work in Kingston. Come on, car. Seriously, come on, man. Come on to the road or something. Okay, now they decided to. Oh, I guess it's a pothole they were trying to figure out how to navigate. Okay, you see this black car now? This is what you call a robot taxi. It has a yellow license plate, the blue and white license plate. Now the car straight ahead has a red license plate, which means the red one is a taxi. When you operate a taxi with the white plate, that means you're doing it as a robot. It's an illegal taxi. The red plate you have to pay more money for because you're obviously using it as a taxi. So the persons don't want to spend the money, so they use the regular license plate, which is the white one, and they pick up and drop off people. So when the police see that, they always pull them over, and it's problems. Alright, so that was a tour of the Falmouth Market. So we're going back out onto Main Street now and driving into the town center. There is no, well, even if there was a cruise ship, it probably would have left already. But today, I think it's Tuesdays and Thursdays they're coming. There are set dates, it's a set schedule from when the cruise ships come in. So we'll check the port to see if there's any ship in harbor, but I doubt it. And then they have a set time when they leave. So you know what happens if you come off the ship in Jamaica and don't get back on in time when the ship says it's leaving. The ship is going to leave you. And it has happened many times. You then have to take a plane at your expense to the next stop where the ship is going to be docked and get back on there. That's just how it is. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.